The air operation to the ground operation as well. Chinese troops may have pulled back from the Galwan Valley, but India continues to expedite its border construction to be prepared for any adversity. India Today's Manjeet Negi also travelled to Nimu in Ladakh to show you how the strategic construction is being done near the border with China. Take a look at this mega exclusive and how this border construction will help India.
India is in full operational mode even as Chinese troops begin a limited pullback from flashpoints in eastern Ladakh. Vigilance hasn't slipped even a little, and as troops step back from the front lines, this is the big message India is sending out. That the chief irritant that sparked the standoff will not pause even for a moment. Road construction activity has been beefed up near the line of actual control for better connectivity with the northern sectors. This bridge, which you are seeing on your screens, did not exist 3 months ago. The Border Roads Organization has built a concrete bridge in place of a Bailey bridge in a record time of 3 months.
पहले इस सड़क पर इस तरह के पुराने लोहे के पुल बनाए गए थे जिन्हें वैली ब्रिज कहा जाता था, और अब बीआरओ ने पिछले 3 महीने के अंदर एक तरह से कह सकते हैं रिकॉर्ड समय में एक नया मजबूत पुल पर तैयार किया है जिस पर सेना की बड़े वाहनों की बड़े हथियारों की आसानी से आवाजाही हो सकती है.
We have made this bridge in a day and night working over it in a record time of 3 months. Now it is the capability of carrying the 70 tons. That means any sort of load can be carried out to the LAC. Government has given us a mandate to construct, so we don't have any concern with the who's objecting and what.
India's determined efforts to press on with infrastructure in Ladakh is historic and comes after decades of neglect. And this is not the only bridge which has been erected. There are 2 more such bridges which have been made to assist the troops in transferring heavy armored vehicles like tanks.
आर्मी ट्रूप्स का गन टो करके लेके जाता था. उस गाड़ी का ये कर्व में दिक्कत होता है. अभी इसको हमने नेगोशिएट करने के लिए हमने ये नया ब्रिज बनाया.
India Today travelled further where another Bailey bridge on a river near Nimu is being turned into a concrete one. BRO is building 40 strategic bridges in Ladakh, of which 20 have been completed in the last 3 years. This, according to the BRO, is one of the major reasons for Chinese belligerence.
इस वक्त हम आपको एक्सक्लूसिव तस्वीरें दिखा रहे हैं लाइन ऑफ एक्चुअल कंट्रोल पर किस तरह से सेना की आवाजाही को आसान बनाने के लिए सामरिक सड़कों और पुलों का निर्माण का जो काम है वो तेजी के साथ हो रहा है. खासतौर से पिछले 3 सालों में चीन से लगने वाली लद्दाख में जो 1200 किलोमीटर लंबी लाइन ऑफ एक्चुअल कंट्रोल है वहाँ पर ऐसे सामरिक जो पुल हैं उनका निर्माण का काम तेज हुआ है. खासतौर से अगर सरकार की बात की जाए, मोदी सरकार ने पिछले सालों में चीन के साथ ऐसी सड़कों और पुलों के निर्माण पर काफ़ी जोर दिया है.
The construction of these roads have been a challenging task, but will be of great importance in case of any worst case scenario at the borders. The network of roads and bridges will ensure development, defense and sovereignty. With Manjeet Negi in Nimu, Ladakh, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.